Good day, ma'am. Today, I will report entity relationship model. Let's talk about entities. So, what is entity? An entity is something we collect data about, like party, a celebrant, a guest, and a gift. And we have an attribute of the entities. So, what is attribute? An attribute are a detail of the entity. For example, the party ID, venue, and of course, we have our primary key. So what is primary key? Primary key is an attribute that makes entity unique. For example, party ID. We also have the relationship. Relationship, how entities are connected. For example, party organized by the celebrant. And we have cardinality. Cardinality tells how many entities are related. It can be one to one, many to many, one to many. As you can see, I made an ER diagram. Who is Chen's model? So let me explain my diagram. A party organized by one party organized by one celebrant, and one celebrant invited many guests, and many guests has one gift, and the gift and many gifts will be given to one celebrant. And the attributes of the party is venue, theme, and the PK is party ID, and the celebrant attributes are name, age, and the PK is celebrant ID. And also the guest has an attribute of name, address, and the PK is guest ID. And proceed to the gift. We have attributes of category, venue, and the PK is gift ID. And the cardinality is in party and celebrant are 1 to 1, and the cardinality of celebrant and guest are 1 to many, and the guest and the gift are many to 1, and the gift to celebrant are many to 1. That's all. Business rules. Business rules are simply statements that guide how a business works. For example, a customer must have an ID before buying. And the source of business rules. This rule can come from manager, policies manual, or even interviewers with users. It will help us understand how to create data model. A data model is like a plan that shows how data organized and connected. It makes real-world data easier to store in a database. ER model. The ER model is a tool used in data modeling. It was introduced by Peter Chen in 1976. It is used diagram to show entities and their relationship. And now I will discuss information management concept and fundamental. This is the first chapter of our subject. In this lesson, we will talk about information system, data and information management, databases, and backup and recovery. Information system. Integrated components for collecting, storing, processing data provide information, knowledge, digital product. Importance. Support daily operations, manage interaction with customer and supplier, help to complete in marketplace. For example, when you order food in Jollibee, the cashier inputs your order in the computer. The system records it, sends it to the kitchen, and prints your receipt. That is an information system at work. Data. Raw or unorganized facts, numbers, symbol, text. Source, individuals and businesses. Categories, structured databases, spreadsheets. unstructured form, image, audio, videos. Data means raw facts. It can be numbers, words, or symbols. For example, 25 blue or 2025. On its own data, on its own, data has no clear meaning. Information. Organize and proceed data. Meaningful. Definition. Data with purpose. Data interpreted and understood. When data is organized, it becomes information. Information management. Application of management technique to handle information. Goals: provide necessary information for works and business, improve efficient through information use, create competitive advantage via IT, maximize value of information assets, reduce information overload. For example, think of your school notes. If you put all the subjects together, it's hard to find, but if you organize them by subject and date, you can review faster. That's the same with business managing their data. Why IM is important? Because it saves money, helps companies earn, and keeps organized safe from risks like hacking or losing records.